If you can use a computer, I have some easy, beginner-friendly, very entry-level work-from-home jobs for you. Let's get into them. So the first easy work-from-home job I want to share comes to us from Symetra. They provide life insurance, annuities, and employee benefits products to individuals and businesses. And the job I'm sharing is for a premium and billing analyst. This is a full-time remote position. You can do it anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. And in this job, you'll be responsible for ongoing premium and billing oversight for groups serviced by the Benefits Division. That includes processing daily premium deposits, late pay and lapse processing, analysis and maintenance of D&U and suspense accounts, and identify and resolve trends in premium and perform premium audits. So you must effectively communicate internally and externally via written correspondence and phone calls, and you'll assist with team projects and with the training of other team members, and take on the role of subject matter expert for internal processes and systems. So what all that means is you'll do some premium maintenance and reconciliation for Symetra service policies, including review and management of suspended and due and uncollected premium, late pay, and lapse review and processing. You'll pre-screen and allocate premium for business division policies utilizing various internal subsystems while identifying premium calculation discrepancies and variances in premiums. Support and administer changes to setup and groups. That includes, but is not limited to, creating new statements, rerunning statements to capture changes, terminating groups, and review the policy admin system for all other billing impacting changes. You'll also do analysis and follow-up of resolution of premium audits, provide customer service to internal and external customers, and assist with training and other projects as needed. And to qualify for this job, you need excellent communication, customer service, and interpersonal skills. You're detail-oriented, you're able to multitask, you're also able to quickly learn complex systems with a demonstrated ability to retain detailed information relating to systems and processes. You can demonstrate initiative and self-motivation skills, and you're proficient with Word, Excel, Access, and Adobe Acrobat. And they tell us right here on this job description the hourly rate is between $22 and $32.95 per hour, plus you're eligible for an annual bonus. So that's the first easy work-from-home job. Let's move on to the next. And that one comes to us from Isaac Health. This is for an intake coordinator. It's a full-time work-from-home job anywhere within the United States. And they tell us right here on this job description they're going to pay you between $40,000 and $45,000 per year. So you'll be responsible for confirming appointments, organizing patient information, and troubleshooting telehealth visit issues. They're seeking a detail-oriented, tech-savvy, and personable intake coordinator to join the team. In this role, you'll be the first point of contact for many patients, ensuring a smooth and welcoming experience. So yeah, you'll manage and confirm patient appointments via phone, email, and the company's scheduling system, collect, verify, and organize patient intake information, support patients in setting up for their telehealth visits, including basic tech troubleshooting, proactively address and overcome appointment cancellations by re-engaging patients or offering alternate options, document all interactions and update the company's EMR system promptly, and follow up with patients as needed to ensure continuity of care and satisfaction. And what they want from you are strong organization and time management skills, excellent communication and interpersonal abilities. You're comfortable using digital platforms, and you have basic troubleshooting skills regarding Zoom, EMRs, and online forms. And they prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you have experience in a healthcare or telehealth environment. And remember, that's just preferred. It's not required. You're able to multitask in a fast-paced remote setting. You have a high school diploma or equivalent, and it's a plus, but it's not required. It's a plus you have an associate's or bachelor's degree. So that's it for this one. On to a funding specialist level 1 position with the company Foundation Finance Company. This is a full-time remote position. They have a location indicated to be Rothschild, United States, but we're going to ignore that because as we scroll down to the bottom of this job description, they list 31 states in which they're hiring remotely. So hopefully you live in one of the states you see on your screen right now. And as far as pay, they tell us right here on this job description, they're going to pay you between $18 and $19 per hour. They tell us that right here on this job description. So in this job, you'll review loan documents for accuracy and compliance with company policies and applicable laws. This role trains dealers on the proper completion of loan documents and answers questions related to program processes and application statuses, communicates document issues to dealers, and helps resolve any outstanding issues. So in other words, you'll accurately enter received financing documents into the organization's operating system for processing, review financing documents for accuracy and compliance with company policies and applicable regulations, and monitor the electronic signature queue and resend links or contact dealers with any issues. You'll assist other departments with document or funding related questions and document applicable notes properly in all required areas for company processes and procedures. You review processing status and documentation to ensure dealers are appropriately handled, advising dealers on any issues or needed items, and answer program questions as well as train dealers on document and funding processes via phone and email. They tell us the ideal candidate is someone who's reliable, dynamic, sociable, and enthusiastic team players. While processing a positive can-do attitude, you have excellent judgment and communication skills. You also have great attention to detail and you're able to multitask under the stress of deadlines. And all they want is a high school diploma or a GED. You should have knowledge of Microsoft Office products. You're able to read and interpret documents such as safety rules, operating and maintenance instructions, and procedure manuals. You're able to write routine reports and correspondence, and you're able to speak effectively before groups of customers or employees of the organization. So moving on to the next job, this one comes to us from Trident Care. They actually have a few remote opportunities. All you have to do is go to their careers page, sort by location, select remote. The job we're going to take a look at is the lab dispatcher. So first things first, they tell us how much they're going to pay, which is $15 per hour. Yeah, that really sucks. But this is a very entry level work from home job. If you're looking for something easy to do at home, this is a good opportunity. So what you're going to do is dispatch all orders for services to field service personnel within 15 minutes of order entry. You'll properly document changes to orders requested by facility and or ordering physician, coordinate estimated time of arrival with appropriate technician and facility upon request, ensure dispatched orders are confirmed as received by technicians, contact facilities when scheduling or rescheduling is necessary for any reason, coordinate reassignment of orders to different technicians when necessary, and assist with inbound customer service calls as needed or directed. And all they want is a high school diploma or a GED, and you have proficient to expert use of Microsoft Office software. You're able to communicate clearly, and you're also able to focus on the task at hand in a busy call center environment. You have a private workspace free from distractions, you have a decent internet connection, and you must pass the network performance test. They prefer you have a little bit of dispatching and routing experience. You're dedicated, you're a team player, you're detail-oriented, you're a self-starter, and we already mentioned you need a high school diploma. So there you go. We just went over some very entry-level work-from-home jobs, perfect for beginners. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more, check out this video right here. But if these jobs are a little too entry-level for you, check out my other channel, Cat Scans Remote Jobs. Good luck to all of you who apply, and as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.